What's going on, Lead Gen Beast? Matty Ice here, Leads for Locals. In this video, I want to share with you an awesome AI video editing software that I found. It is just absolutely incredible what AI is able to do these days. It's getting really, really sophisticated, and I'm going to be coming out with a lot of different AI training on this channel here pretty soon, guys. I'm playing around with a lot of different cool stuff, so make sure you subscribe. But in this video, I want to share this particular software that basically allows you to take your long form YouTube video, like your long YouTube videos. Maybe you're doing podcasts, which I do a lot of on my other YouTube channel called Millennial Wealth Creator, which if you haven't checked it out, I'll link that down below. We talk a lot about different wealth building strategies. I'm basically just sharing my wealth building journey on there. Using infinite banking, investing in real estate, doing private money lending, all these different things. So make sure you check it out. But I do a lot of long videos, podcasts, basically video podcasts, where it's 45 minutes to an hour long, sometimes longer than that. But what we're able to do, or a good idea, anyways, and you'll see a lot of different podcast YouTube channels do this, where they'll do the long podcast, hour, 2 hours long, but then they'll break it up into 10 to 15, maybe 20-minute segments, and then upload those videos as well. So now you're getting 6 to 10 pieces of content that you can upload onto your YouTube channel from one podcast, right? So we're repurposing that content, and it's really, really good for getting more content out there. Obviously, it's really good for the algorithm as well. So it used to take a long time to do that, though, where you'd have to go into your editor, you'd have to manually find the different chapters and segments. You'd have to do that yourself. It'd take a long time to do. Not anymore, guys. Not with AI. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This thing is absolutely insane. It's also extremely cheap, in my opinion. I just upgraded to the annual subscription, which was 50% off. I don't know if that's going to be the case by the time you read this, if they're still going to be running that, but it was only $294 for the year. Or you could pay $49 a month. It's up to you. But super cheap for what it does, guys. Oh my gosh, just wait till you see this. Now, I am going to have an affiliate link for this software. It's called Vidyo.ai, Vidyo.ai. If you guys find the video helpful and you do want to support the channel, I'll have my affiliate link down below. I really, really appreciate your support. So let me show you how this works. First off, it's really easy to use. We're just going to click on New Project. And if you already have the YouTube video uploaded to your channel, you could paste in the link and import it. Or you can just upload the original file, which is what I did. All right. You can also do Reddit posts in the video. I haven't tried this yet. Seems like a pretty neat feature to me, though. Anyways, you upload your video there or import it from your YouTube channel. Obviously, the longer the video, the longer it's going to take to process. Mine didn't take very long to process, though. This is an hour-long podcast, and I think it took 10 to 15 minutes to process. So if we click on this, guys, watch this. I mean, this is just unbelievable. So in addition to the chapters, like breaking your video up into chapters, so now you can create these 5, 10, 15-minute videos very, very quickly. It also gives you short reels as well. So you can upload this to YouTube Shorts, Instagram, TikTok, whatever other platforms that you're on. It creates you the short reels for you as well. And you can come in here and edit these. So that's my buddy Jeff. So obviously, if I'm uploading to my channel, I want to be on the video. So I can move myself over here, and that's it. And there's other editing we could do with the subtitles. You could turn subtitles off if you want. Change the font size, and all this good stuff, right? There's some really cool things you can do. You can also trim and edit the video right here. Right. So, there's elements, media that you can add, different text. I haven't played around with this very much just yet because the primary reason I started using the software was this right here. So, but I just want you to see that it also creates short reels for you too. But guys, look at this. It literally broke up my hour-long video from start to finish into different chapters. And you can see the exact timestamps here. Which is very useful because what I'm going to end up doing, so it keeps the entire video organized from start to finish. What I'm going to end up doing is probably downloading 2 or 3 of these at a time. I'm going to put those into my other video editor, Capwing, and then I'm going to just to put them all together to create that 10 to 15 minute video, download that, and I'm good to go. And of course, I can add, I can do a little more editing in there if I want. But again, what we're doing here is it's saving us the time of manually having to go in and segment our long video into different chapters. It's doing it automatically, guys. It's unbelievable. And we can do the same thing as far as editing with the short reels. And come in here, edit. It's pretty much the same editor. It looks like it's got some pretty good stuff here. Like, you know, I might end up using this as my primary video editor in the future. It doesn't look like it has as many features just yet as something like Capwing or CapCut or whatever. But you could probably get away with just the basics here, you know, if you're just doing some basic video editing. So just something to keep in mind. But we can, yeah, like I said, we could do different types of editing and stuff. All right. So you can go in there, play around with that. But at the end of the day, like once you're done with that, all we're going to do is download the video here. Okay. So we'll click download, and you could preview the video too, which is, you know, like what I'm doing. Oops. What I'm doing is I'm going to go through each clip, like towards the second or third video, and just make sure that the conversation is relevant throughout all the clips. Like we haven't changed topics yet. That's basically where, like, once we change topic or I ask my guest a new question, that's when that will basically be the next 10 to 15 minute video, right? So I'm just going to start downloading clips, and I'm going to upload these into Capwing. All right. So let's go to Capwing. Let's get rid of all of these right here. We don't need this. Okay. And I'm going to click add media. See if that video is done yet. Not yet. All right. But basically I'm going to add the different clips here, the different 3 to 5 minute clips that I'm downloading from Vidyo.ai, put it into my video editor, maybe do a little bit of B-roll or something like that. Maybe, you know, I've got my template here with some music, and, you know, I have a call to actions that pop up or whatever. But then I export it, download it, boom, good to go. It's just absolutely insane. So short reels, chapters, just crazy stuff here, guys. Let's go back. I do want to show you one other feature that I think is really neat. You can actually, like, so if you do end up using the video, like the actual editing software inside of Vidyo.ai, once you download the video, you can actually you can upload your video to multiple different platforms all at once. And it basically has its own social media planner inside of the software. It's freaking insane. So if we go to post right here, all right, if we go to new post, we can link our different accounts here. So TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, X, Pinterest. That's just crazy, guys. And we can post to those all at once. So once your video is done, your short reel's done, your 10 to 15 minute video is done, whatever, you can post to all of your social media platforms whenever you're ready. So let me see if the download is done here. Yeah, here it is. So I can select this. All right, I can write a description, and then I can either publish it now or schedule it. It's just, man, that is really, really powerful stuff. They've got analytics coming soon here. These are the credits that you have. So like I said, I'm on the annual one. I think it's 1 credit per minute, I think it is. So if you have an hour-long video, it's going to be 100 credits. Of course, you can always add more credits there. Let's see what else. You got brand kits. You can see all your downloads. AI post generator. I haven't really messed with this just yet. Oops, sorry. It's one of my notifications. But yeah, I'll go ahead and wrap up with that, guys. Just absolutely insane. Really, really powerful stuff. If you're a content creator, you're doing YouTube videos, you're doing podcasts, this is a game changer, guys. Because one of the other things is, like, I've been looking to hire a video editor, which I'm probably still going to do. But these are the types of these are the types of tools that allow us as content creators to do a lot of the stuff ourselves very, very quickly, very efficiently, very cost effectively as well. Like being able to break up an entire video in an hour-long, 2-hour-long podcast into multiple segments, and then just being able to crank those out in a day. Oh man, that's just absolutely insane. So anyways, I hope this video was helpful, guys. Hope it gave you some ideas about how you can start to use this. This thing just absolutely blew my mind. like if you're a YouTube content creator, you're doing podcasts, this is almost a must have. Even if you have an editor and you want to make sure that they're doing things as efficiently as possible, get this tool to them, guys. Show them how to use it and get them on it. Like it's just crazy. So anyways, hope you guys are crushing it, and I will talk to you in the next one. To your success. Matty Ice is out.